Hello, as I promised, I will teach you how to bake and design a cake. Some of our viewers might be new and eager to learn, so let's start with a simple cake design first. Here are the baking tools we'll need. Mixing bowl, stainless steel, round baking pan, hand mixer or whisks, rubber spatula, measuring spoon set, measuring cup set. Here's the ingredients we need. 2 1/2 cups cake flour or first-class flour, 2 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1 1/2 teaspoon salt, 3/4 cup unsalted butter, room temperature, 1 3/4 cups granulated sugar, 4 large eggs, 1 cup buttermilk or milk. Preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare your cake pans by greasing them and lining the bottom with parchment paper or dusting with flour. Sift the dry ingredients together in a bowl and set aside. Cream the butter and sugar using a mixer on medium speed until the mixture becomes light and fluffy, about 3 to 5 minutes. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Mix in the vanilla extract. Alternate adding the dry ingredients and the buttermilk. Add a portion of the dry ingredients, then a portion of the buttermilk. Repeat until all is combined. Do not overmix, mix just until smooth. Pour the batter evenly into your prepared cake pans and smooth out the top. Bake for 25 to 35 minutes, depending on the pan size. Check by inserting a toothpick in the center. If it comes out clean, it's done. Cool the cakes in the pans for 10 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely before adding icing or decorations. Our cake is now finished. I hope you learned something today. In our next video, we'll be covering and decorating the cake. Thank you for watching. Happy baking!